braids on my short 4C hair. Hey there, beautiful people. What's up, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dami the YouTuber, and on this channel we do and talk about everything 4C hair. I've not made mini braids for the longest time, and today I decided to make mini braids. I'm already mini to scary, and yeah, let's get into the video.
I don't know what he wants. Now tell me, what's your purpose, boy? What do you need? 'Cause I can't love you anymore.
Take the right strand and cross it over the middle strand. The right strand is now the new middle strand. Take the left strand and cross it over the new middle strand. The left strand is now the center. Continue repeating this in an alternating pattern and braid down. That's the simple way to braid.
Can't do this no more. I know I deserve way more. I can't do this